Welcome to Deliverable 2 and team technical presentation of the FHIR'ed Up Benchmarking Dodo Drones project, Knowledge-Based Lab Interpretation. My name is Gordon Lemon and I will be your narrator. In this presentation we will be discussing 5 topics: accomplishments, architecture, use case, user interface, and next steps. On March 1st we met with our mentors Dr. Park and Taylor Starton. During this meeting we got clear direction on the goals and requirements of the app, as well as how to leverage Georgia Tech resources to implement it. Using this information we got a lot done. As front-end developer, Brendan prototyped a user interface. Our back-end developer, Gordon, created a use case diagram. In his architect role, Chad developed an architecture diagram, and as project manager, Mike planned the work breakdown and assignments for the next few weeks. Our solutions architecture plan is to keep it simple. We plan on a back-end server-side application that will interface with the FHIR'ed server and have access to the liver function test rules. We intend to write this system in Python using the minimal Flask framework. Our user interface front-end will be written in JavaScript using Angular. We also intend to leverage Bootstrap and Font Awesome. Most of the project requirements are clear and straightforward. The only real concern is that we are unsure of the complexity of the liver function test rule set. To address this, we plan to work closely with our external mentor on the rule set. We will also be flexible, modifying the design and implementation as necessary while the rule set definition evolves. Our FHIR'ed app supports a single use case. The health care provider orders liver function tests, the results of which are entered into the EMR. When the labs are ready, the provider opens the app and submits patient information. The app communicates with the EHR, analyzes the lab results, and presents the provider with evidence supporting predicted diagnoses. In this side, we color components that are part of our system blue. The user interface needs to accomplish 2 tasks: input a patient and display liver function test results of interest. This first slide shows a prototype of the landing page and simple input. After entering the patient ID, the user will click on the search icon. After the patient is looked up, some basic attributes like full name and date of birth are displayed to confirm the right patient was retrieved. More importantly, the lab results are displayed. Our clinical mentor has asked that the following 3 elements be included in the results: a concise synopsis of a specific metric, a detailed explanation of what this means, an appropriate action plan, and a link supporting documentation for this reasoning. Looking ahead, we will split the Deliverable 3 phase into 3 week-long sprints. In week 1, we will create the base framework of the application. In week 2, we will implement the core functionality. And during week 3, we will review our progress and plan for the Deliverable 4 phase. When we submit our Deliverable 3 team progress report, we hope to have a testable beta version of the application ready. Tools used in creating this presentation include Draw.io, Adobe Illustrator, and Microsoft Project. We thank Dr. Park for the PowerPoint presentation he delivered over WebEx and for his guidance in this project.